It's not just a cracked engine block, it's also on top of the engine, especially the big diesel engines. You have your sleeves that sit down on the block, and they cavitate out around the cylinder. And they cavitate out around the cylinder. We can recast those and eliminate welding, which is expensive and time consuming. If you look at a cracked engine block, as you see in the video, you prep it as you see and repair it, and that's a permanent repair for cracked engine blocks. If you look into the housing, there's erosion in the housing of these diesel blocks, and we repair those with a corrosion resistant material. So there's many fits, many things you can do with an engine block. We did one 3,500 horsepower diesel engine for a refinery, their Marine Group. We did it in about 4 days. They put it in service some years ago, and I visited with them about 2 years ago, and I said, hey, how'd our block do? And they said, well, Jim, we had to change that block out because it was due to be changed out. But your repair saw 27,000 hours of service, and we pulled it out. The Belzoni repair was the same as the day you did it.